in a room where it's full of love and support, not just something but to the rest of the girls, and that means a lot to me. Well, I just performed Woman, and to be honest, lisod ka ba mahimong babae? Uy, di lang. Not to invalidate all men and other people in the spectrum, but di lang mahimong babae. And also, speaking of Woman, another reason, so the reason why I chose the song is, ganang ko kanang kanta murag, I'm in my divine feminine energy, blah blah blah. Or feeling about her lang. But also just minor detail, just a little something something. So sa akong rap, Bisaya siya, and actually happy kayo kung yes, sabot na sila sa Bisaya rap. Okay, so ba like sa Manila murag, wow, Bisaya. Sabot ba kami sila? Pero ako tawag kay Bisaya murag, sige, Bisaya, wow. Sige, shaggy. But yes, so sa akong Bisaya rap, nakabutang dito, Mariah Queen, Mother Mary rise to the top. The original is Mother Earth, Mother Mary rise to the top, but I changed it to Mariah Queen, which is me. And from Mother Mary, actually sakto siya. Hi! My mom's nickname is Mary. She's here right now. And kasi I think it's very fitting because, you know, wala, chibog rin ko wala, mama. Diba? Wala. Always honor your, and because of this, I'd like to acknowledge and honor my mama. Hello, ma. Mother Mary, hello. Because if I'm not here, if she's not here, I wouldn't be here, literally. So, thank you, mama. Mother's Day, sorry. Yes, but also in Bini, there's another woman here na, eto, lahat ng ribbon nasa kanya. Naka-bag, naka-earrings, naka-sapatos, damit, lahat. She's the queen of ribbons. So, I hope let's all welcome this ribbon heart in her universe, in her Beanie verse. Please welcome the universe of